elegance, beauty, perfection, all in one property is this luxurious 5-bedroom fully detached duplex located in the heart of Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Now this property is just 3 minutes drive to the Agungi bus stop, and likewise 3 minutes drive, 3 to 5 minutes drive to the Chevron bus stop, located in a gated and serene estate, 100% secure, the perfect home for you to live in and likewise your loved ones. Follow me as I take you on a tour to check out this impeccable, luxurious 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. I remain your favorite informant, Oluwatosin Adiogun, always bringing you the best, the most exceptional of African best spaces. Without further ado, how about you follow me as I take you on a tour to check it out. Here is the exterior tour of this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. Now you have the entire space here for your car park section, and these can take 3 cars conveniently, and you have your swimming pool right here and likewise your security post right here. So you have your changeover switch there where you can put in your generator just somewhere around here. Now, of course, you want to put in a noise-flash generator. The estate is quite very quiet. It's not, you won't hear those whoa noise that you just get here in some place. This is a very serene, calm estate. So you want to maintain the level of decorum that you get or you see in this place. And disclaimer, I wouldn't want to use it. I think I kept using the word disclaimer most often now, but I would say that this environment is one of the places that enjoy good electricity directly from the NEPA source. So the stability of light here is quite good. So if you are buying this place, you know that you have the good, opportunity to enjoy good electricity. You can also have other power supply like your generator. You can put in your inverter. You can put in so much more. So I know this is beyond what you want. I know you want to see what the interior looks like. So follow me as I take you on a tour to check out the interior. So right here is the entrance of the 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. Take a look. Here we have your restroom, the guest restroom. Right here you have your suspended toilet seat, you have your vanity, your washing basin, and likewise the mirror with some sort of cabinet right here, so you can put in some toiletries in the section. That is it. Now take a look. This is the guest restroom. Then you have your guest room right here. Now can you imagine the level of privacy you get once you are the owner of the space? First and foremost, this is spacious, way spacious. I don't like my guest room to be so spacious because it is a guest room. That means I'm telling you, Oga, Madam, don't stay too long. Start going to your house. But this is spacious. This seems like something that will be very, very comfortable. So if you want, so there's a BQ, but outside the BQ, perhaps you have some guests, you don't even want them to come to the main house, or you have some workers, you want them to stay. Now this is absolutely a perfect place for them. So it has the wardrobe section right here, and likewise you have the guest toilet and bathroom right here. So you have your toilet seat, your washing basin, the shower section, the mirror with the LED lighting. This is such a lot of luxury for the guest room. So that is it for the entrance of the space. Now moving forward, now we are going to the living room section. Come on, like come on. See, if you're not buying this house, I don't know what you are doing. If you have been touring if you're touring properties and you're not looking at the space, like I really don't know what you're doing with space. Just take a good look at the living room space. This is beautiful. This is spacious. Very spacious space. Now you have your telecom right there. So you have your control switch all the way here, and also take a look at the POP, the lighting, the chandelier, the TV console. Come on, this is beautiful. It has an in-built speaker. That's all you have. The AC port. How many AC ports? We have here 2 AC ports. You have your CCTV camera right here. So you have the section for your dining. Yes, this is perfect for your dining section. Then you have a mini bar right here. Come on, if you are not buying this house, I don't know what you're doing with that money right there in your bank account. Now come all the way to the kitchen. Oh my goodness, this is super spacious. This is just so good. Now look at the islander, the kitchen sink, you have the cooker, you have the heat extractor. Take a good look at the cabinets, the microwave, the oven. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oh, guess what? This comes with a refrigerator as well. Take a good look at it. It comes with it. This is exactly what you're getting. Look at another sink right here. You have your washing machine. Holy shit. Can somebody send some money into my bank account? I can't get over this house. Look at another CCTV camera right here in the kitchen. Your inbuilt speaker. Oh, all for you to get that bad dude, like those bedroom when you are in the kitchen. And it likewise comes with a store as well. Sorry it is locked because there are things inside, but it does come with a store. This is amazing. Take a look at the cabinetry. So much of the space right here. You can do a lot with this space. Oh damn, this is the perfect kitchen space for you. I'm a woman, I love this. I bled for this kitchen. This is perfect. Now over to the first floor. Let's go. Now look at the stairway. The lighting is beautiful. The tiles is amazing. Oh, this house is giving. Let's go. So comfortable. Damn, this is so comfortable. Now you have the family lounge right here. So this is like a mini one. So calm down. This is not the entire family lounge. So you can have like a seater right here. They're moving forward all the way. The main family lounge. Whew. This is the main family lounge. See, I can do a lot with this space. Like, are you thinking of owning that home? Like that, you want to have that beautiful home to yourself? This is perfect. The estate is perfect. Located in a gated and serene estate. Now, everything you want, security-wise, location-wise, this check the list, and the finishing is amazing. Take a look at the family lounge. Then you have another beauty section right here, like a console. You can have the design all the way, flowers set up right here for your design. You have this chandelier overlooking down to the stairway. Very amazing finishing. I said it's a 5-bedroom. Now, this is one of the rooms of the 5-bedroom. Take a good look at the space. This is spacious. This is like, I'm trying to find like a fault in this house. Like, oh, I don't like this house because of this certain reasons. And then in my head, I really can't. So if you call me and say, Tosin, what, give me your honest opinion as a realtor. What do you think? Sincerely, I would not be able to give you any bad review about this place because this is super perfect. The space, the cabinetry, a lot of space for you, all in the space. I don't know what to say. There's a mirror right here. A lot. This is not even a master's, and it's giving me the master's vibe. Then it comes here, the toilet and bathroom section. You have your suspended toilet seats, your washing basin, and you have your shower section right here. Your faucet, your shower's head, everything perfect. Just giving. Period. It's giving. So another room right here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, this is another room. Guys, why is this house so spacious? Yes, this is another room right here. Comes with this wardrobe as well. So here is it. Ooh. So if you're thinking of buying the house, don't move from this video, because this may just be your perfect answer to that search that you've had. Now you have your toilet seat right here, washing basin, you have your mirror with the LED lighting, also your shower section right here. Just similar finishing, just like the previous room. Let's go to another room. Ta-da! Right here is another room. So just like everything, you have your space, in-built speaker. This room has a cross ventilation. Then you have your wardrobe section right here. You have it right here. And also you have your toilet and bathroom right here. Same finishing, just like the others. Your water heater, your shower section, your toilet seats, your washing basin, the mirror with LED lighting, good finishing, amazing, very clean. Then we have just stored 3 rooms on this floor. I taught 1 on the ground floor, then 3 on this floor. So that means in total we have taught 4 rooms. Now over to the masters, which is the last room we are touring here. So here's the masters. Welcome to the master section. This is given, period. Ooh, I love the space. Now take a good look at the view. Damn, I would do anything to own this property. This is so beautiful. The space. Now you got your TV console right here, the chandelier, and your speaker, the lighting, the POP, everything is just perfect. Now you will have your wardrobe section, walk-in closet right here. Now you do not, if you are a lover of space, I guarantee that this is 100% spacious. A lot of closet right here. You have right here, you just have another one in here. And guess what? It's not over. Take a good look all the way right here. Have you seen the space? So right here you can put in your shoes, your bags, so many stuffs can go in right here. Just amazing. If I'm buying this house, I don't even think I'm touching the house one bit. I don't want to, because this is perfect. Now over here you have your master suite, the toilet and bathroom section right here. So you have your vanity here, very beautiful. I love the color. Then you have, yes, the wardrobe section here. You have your mirror with LED lighting, water heater, your bathtub right here. And you also have your shower section here. Very amazing. And your toilets, your suspended toilet seat right here. So what are you looking for? This is an epitome of perfection. This finishing is impeccable. The luxury is giving 10 over 10 over plus 10 minus 0 in this home. If you want a piece of this, you want more information about this property, all you need to do is to call us on the number shown right there on your screen. You can send us a WhatsApp message, or you can call us directly, and we are available to answer you 24/7. For more property listings, please kindly visit our website at www.estateinformant.com. You can likewise follow us on all of our social media platforms, on Facebook, Instagram, on X, on TikTok at Estate Informant. It's a great honor to have you watch this video to the end. I am super happy. I hope you won't sleep on this property, because this is perfect. I would be looking forward to seeing you. I'll be looking forward to that call, that phone call, that message saying, "Oh, Tosin, I want this property. I just get me the papers. Let's start the paperwork. Let's move on, because I know this is my home. I know this is for you, because this is built specially for you. This is amazing." And I look forward to that call. Stay tuned, because I'll be back again to give you another special and juicy offer like this and lots more. It's a great honor, and stay blessed.